While you're watching this video, somewhere out there, someone is posting content from a character that doesn't exist and getting paid for it.
No camera, no face, no studio, just one AI persona reused across every platform, making money while they sleep. I built this exact character today. The images, the carousels, the video you're about to see in one sitting using one tool. And I'm not going to just tell you it's possible.
I'm going to show you every single step live. So by the time this video ends, you'll know exactly how to build your own before everyone else figures this out.
Listen, AI influencers aren't a gimmick anymore. They're a full content business. One character reused endlessly, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, paid platforms with zero filming, zero burnout, zero scheduling your life around a camera. And the window where this still feels early is closing fast. Every month, more of these accounts show up, more of them get monetized, and the ones who started first are the ones with the audience already built.
So why hasn't everyone done this already? Because every tutorial makes it look impossibly technical, 5 tools stitched together, hours of prompting a different face every single generation. Today, I'm testing the tool that claims to fix that. If it holds up, I'm giving you the entire workflow, character carousels, and video from start to finish.
This is Foxy AI. Instead of training your own model from scratch, you start from an already trained character or your own likeness, and every output keeps the exact same face and identity. That consistency is the whole business model. Without it, you don't have a character people follow. You have a folder of random AI images nobody remembers. This is the character the entire video is built around, and everything you see from here on is the same face, same person, every time. So I'm going to select character and create an AI influencer of my own. Since I already have the reference images, I'm going to upload them here. You can choose to upload your own face. Check out for the instructions. Click continue and it will ask for a full body front and full body by angle. I'm going to upload them, tweak the settings, hit generate, and Foxy will bring my character to life.
Don't start from a blank prompt. That's where most people quit before they even post once. Foxy gives you a working template.
Look for a template you like, select it, adjust the styling, and run it. Look at that. Let's try with a different template. I'm literally mind blown with these results. Same face, same character, completely different scene. That's the exact thing that's supposed to be hard, and it just worked.
Quick pause. If you want to build a character exactly like this one before this trend gets saturated, my link's in the description. I've also linked a document with different character prompts of influencers in different ethnicities. You can access that and generate your influencer now. Back to the tutorial. This next part is the one that actually pays the bills, because a single image doesn't build an account. A carousel does.
Carousels get pushed harder by the algorithm, they hold attention longer, and they're what most monetized AI influencer accounts are actually posting, not single photos. So I'm not stopping at one image. I'm building a full slide carousel, same character, same outfit continuity, different angles and settings, the exact format you'd post today, and have it look like a real editorial shoot. I'm going to select the image we created earlier, click carousel, and it will generate 5 images with the exact same clothing and location, but in different poses. Look at this. Multiple slides, one sitting, and it's the same person in every single frame.
Here's the part that made me actually believe this could be a real business, not just images, video.
Because video is where the algorithm sends the most reach right now. And if your AI character can't show up in trending video formats, you're leaving the biggest growth lever on the table. I found a video trend currently blowing up, and instead of learning how to recreate it frame by frame myself, I fed the reference in the template and built the same trend around my character. Literally, my character now moving in a format that's already proven to perform. Same identity, 3 completely different content types. Image, carousel, video. That's an entire week of content, and it all came from one character build.
Here's how this actually turns into income, and it's simpler than most people think. Everything I just built goes toward growing an audience. That's the discovery layer. Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, wherever your audience actually lives.
Once that audience exists, the same character can support a private offer. On top of it, a subscription page, exclusive drops, brand partnerships, or affiliate links tied to products the character uses. One character, one session. Like the one I just showed you. Multiple income streams stacked on top. And because there's no real person required on camera, this scales like a brand, not a job you have to show up for every day.
The creators doing this right now aren't waiting for permission, they're just building. So here's everything from one session: a full slide carousel standalone post and a trending format video, all one consistent character, all postable today.
Honestly, the consistency across 3 completely different content types is what got me. That's the one thing that quietly kills most people's AI influencer attempts before their 5th post even goes up, and I didn't have to fight for it once.
If you want to build your own version, the link is in the description and pinned comment. This space is only getting more crowded, so the earlier you start, the easier it is to stand out. Try it and tell me in the comments below, would you rather write your own prompts or use a platform that already gives you a template that is trending and proven to work? Subscribe and hit that like button for me, y'all.